Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to save on travel using Priceline's Name Your Own Price tool. This feature is fantastic for travelers who want to lock in significant discounts on hotel stays without overspending. Let's dive into how you can use this tool to find great deals. First, open your web browser and navigate to Priceline.com. This will bring you directly to Priceline's homepage where you can start your hotel search. Once you're there, you'll notice several options across the navigation bar at the top of the page. Go ahead and click on Hotels. This section is specifically designed for finding and booking accommodations at competitive rates. Next, you'll see a search field labeled Where To. This is where you'll type in your destination city. Whether you're planning a trip to New York, Los Angeles, or anywhere else, simply enter the name of the city you're heading to. This helps Priceline narrow down the available hotels in that specific area. After entering your destination, it's time to select your travel dates. Look for the calendar icons next to the date fields and click on them to choose your check-in and check-out dates. Make sure you pick the exact dates you need, as this will determine the availability and pricing of hotels during your stay. Once your dates are set, you'll need to specify the number of rooms and guests. Click on the drop-down menu or input fields to enter how many rooms you'll need and how many people will be staying. After you've entered this information, click Done to confirm your selections. This ensures that the search results are tailored to your specific accommodation needs. Now click on Find Your Hotel to start the search. Give it a few seconds to load as Priceline processes your request and compiles a list of available hotels that match your criteria. This might take a moment, so just be patient while the system works. On the results page that appears, look toward the upper section for a section labeled Express Deals. This is where Priceline's best discounts are often found, offering you the chance to save significantly on your booking. Click on Express Deals and wait for a few seconds as the page loads. This feature shows you hotels at discounted rates, though some details like the exact hotel name might be hidden until after you book. Once the Express Deals page loads, scroll down through the available options. Take your time to compare prices, star ratings, and amenities until you find the deal that works best for you. When you've identified the best option, click Choose Your Room to proceed. After clicking, you'll be taken to a page where you can view more detailed room options. Scroll down to review what's available, whether it's a standard room, a suite, or something with specific amenities you prefer. Select the room option that fits your needs, then click Book to finalize your selection. This action will move you forward to the payment and confirmation stage, where you'll complete your reservation and secure your discounted rate. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully used Priceline's Express Deals feature to save money on your hotel booking. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.